Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy, and today in this video we are going to talk about National Civil Services Day, which is observed on 21st of April. Now National Civil Service Day 2020 is celebrated on 21st April. On Civil Services Day, civil servants dedicate themselves for the cause of nation, renew their commitments and excellence in work. Let us have a look in detail about National Service Day 2020, its its history and its celebrations. So basically it's an event which acknowledges the good work done by civil servants, the IS officers, the IPS officers. Now National Civil Service Day 2020, on this day the Prime Minister Award for Excellence in Public Administration is presented. In this award scheme, a large number of districts across country participates in scale of the entire process is very large. As we know that civil services is the service which is responsible for the public administration of government in the country. It does not include legislative, judiciary and military personnel. Let us tell you that the civil services members do not take any pledge to any political ruling party but are executioners of the policies of ruling political party. Civil services works word date backs to British time when British East India Company civilian staff involved in administrative jobs and were known as public servants. Its foundation has been laid with by Warren Hastings, and later more reforms were done by Charles Cornwallis, and so he was known as the father of civil services India. Now, civil services of India constitutes of Indians administrative services, Indian Police Service, Indian Forest Foreign Service, and comprehensive list of all India services and central services Group A and Group B. 21st April is dedicated to the civil services people to commemorate the exemplary service and to reflect back what has done in the years. Also on this day they are making planning for the coming year, how they can have to do work their respective departments. Now let us study why 21st April is celebrated as National Civil Service Day. Well, its origin is related to 1947, where on 21st April Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Home Member Parliament, inaugurated the All India Services while addressing the probationary officers at All India Administrative Services Training School at McAlphay House, Delhi. He delivered a powerful speech and empowered the civil servants to adopt the role of national service, leaving behind past experience. In his speech, he referred to civil servants as the steel frame of India. The first such function was held in Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi on 21st April 2006. Since 2006, it has been celebrated as National Civil Service Day on 21st of April. On this day, the Prime Minister awards for excellence in public administration. Now, what is the objective behind National Civil Service Day? To motivate and appreciate the good work and efforts done by civil service officers. Central government uses this opportunity to evaluate the work of various departments under the civil services. The central government facilitate and provide awards to the best working individuals and groups. On this day, mostly all the officers of central and state governments are awarded by Prime Minister of India for their extraordinary service in the field of public administration. Do you know that function is organized by Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievance and Ministry of Personal Public Grievance and Pensions? Well, the Prime Minister Award for Excellence in Public Administration is awarded in three categories. So what are these three categories? Category 1 comprises of 8 northeastern regions, states and 3 hilly states, namely Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Category 2 consists of several union territories comprising 7 union territories, Category 2 and Category 3, rest of 18 states of India. So I hope this video would help you and encourage you to be a part of civil services. All the young students, the graduates who are appearing and who want to be civil servants, this is a great opportunity for you to serve the nation and bring a good name to your family and society. Thank you.